my everyday carry using my purse. Personal papers to include a copy of my prescription, pack of salt, coffee, sugar, cocoa powder for the top of the coffee, foil can be used to fashion a cup or put on the ground to keep stuff dry, a little motivational card that, as you can see, I've had for years. Fresnel lens, you can keep it, you can use it for firelighting or reading. Gauze pad with medical tape, eyelid wipes because I do tend to get dry eyes, a rather battered birthday candle but useful for firelighting, band-aid, various hand wipes, important medication, wound seal, Spyderco bug, some string, cotton string, so again it can be used for firelighting. A couple of paper clips and the tool for opening my phone. Miniature flashlight. Nail clippers. And a flash drive. So that's everything for part 1. I plan on making this a multi-part series showing my various bags and what I tend to carry every day.